welcome back to DG's Outdoor Productions, guys. In today's video, I have a review on my Vivitar Creator Series Full Spectrum White 18-inch ring light. Okay, guys, I got this for Valentine's Day from May 98. These were on clearance for $17, okay, and they originally were 49 bucks. Now, with this kit, okay, you get the tripod, okay, and you get an 18-inch ring light, which is pretty nice, okay? It comes with a nice carrying bag for just the ring light. The tripod itself does not fit in here. It says Vivitar on the front, okay? You will get a remote, which is really nice. I'll have up-close pictures of each one of these things. You do have to plug this thing in, so it isn't chargeable, okay, which is kind of a drawback for me. Using it inside, it'll be fine. It comes with a power cord, and it comes with an extra power cord. Using it outside, I plan on just using it on my porch whenever I'm filming my like BB gun reviews or whatever, air rifle reviews, shooting my bow, and I just want more light outside. I can run an extension cord from inside the house to outside to film that. This thing is pretty bright, okay? It says it's got 416 total LEDs in it. Okay, we're going to turn this thing on right now. I am going to go shut the light off real quick so you guys can see how bright this thing is. Give me 1 second. Okay. So for brightness settings, and I'll have a clip in here where I show the features on the back and how they work, but I want to show you guys the brightness settings right now. So this is the soft light part, okay? Soft light. Oh, I just turned it off. Hang on. Soft light, and then it gets really, really bright. It'll go from a soft light to a really bright LED. Well, that's okay. This is the brightness right here. All right, so this is how bright it gets. This is where you can change the temperature, the cool temperature. It'll change the light depending on what mood you want the room set in, okay, which is pretty nice. So guys, let's cut over to the next clip, and we will talk about how you work the light from the back and things like that. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you guys the back of the Vivitar 18-inch ring light, which is made in China. Okay, this is before I actually filmed the video, so I don't have it plugged in. But this is where you turn it on and adjust the brightness from high to low. Okay, this knob right here says brightness. And then there's a knob right here that you can actually change the color temperature. So it'll go from a very soft low light to a very bright LED bright light just by turning this. Pretty nice. This is where you plug it in to charge your phone. Okay. I guess this is where a phone mount would attach to it. It didn't come with a phone cradle like it said it did. But let me show you guys something real quick. So on the sides here, there are little sheets. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That accessories, maybe like this microphone, this came from my camera, this is the broken one, should be able to fit in here. But look, when it slides in there, it doesn't even, I'm trying to do this one-handed. When it slides in there, it doesn't even go in all the way. So I really don't know what this thing is made for. It will fit down here though. Slides right in there, no problem. So I guess if you put your phone here, you could put your microphone over here, or your camera right there, and it would work. But what these things right here are actually made for, I don't know. This right here is where you guys plug in the power cord, so that's what that's for right there. Alright y'all, so I'm back.
The light itself is made out of plastic. It is fully adjustable, as you guys can tell in the clip that I'm going to show here on the screen. The tripod itself is all plastic except for the metal feet. And the metal feet, they do bend in and out. You can tighten them and loosen them and all kinds of stuff. So they do move up and down, okay, which is a really nice feature about them. So, really nice. You can push it down and then it just sinks right down. The light itself is all plastic. All the knobs on here are really plastic, okay? As far as flimsiness, you know, for my first, like, production style ring light, I have a little one that's like this big that clips onto my tripod. This isn't bad, okay? It is all plastic, like I said. So it'll work for me, right? And it does what it's intended to. It's going to lighten up a room pretty good. So the whole housing is plastic and things like that. So yeah, I don't know what else to say other than it was supposed to come with a phone cradle. I looked everywhere for that phone cradle that clips on here, right here, and I couldn't find it to hold your phone. Not that I'm going to use it for my phone, but when the box advertises a phone cradle, okay, I would like to get the phone cradle like it said. There it is, like it showed on the box. So that's one thing. Alright guys, so this thing gets up to 63 inches tall. This thing is taller than me. And that's pretty nice, okay? You can angle it whatever angle you want to, like I showed you guys before. The remote does work, okay? The remote does work. And I turn it on. Well, let me do this first. Alright, so the remote does work. It's a little finicky, but again, the remote does work. And 90% of the time, I'm not going to be using the remote, so it doesn't really matter. But you can actually do like on there, okay? And you can go warm, cool, and medium. So, and then you can dim it. It's pretty nice little thing. So, there's a lot of features on this thing. Good bright and dim, all that kind of stuff. It's pretty neat. So yeah, pretty cool little light. I know this wasn't an in-depth review as I wanted to. I feel like I wasn't making as much sense on this one. It took a lot to prep this one. But guys, here's my review on the Vivitar 18-inch full spectrum white ring light set from Walmart. So yeah. Remember y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Jesus loves you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.